Let's go across to Rohan Verma, CEO and Executive Director at MapmyIndia. If you could first start by, how has the recent acquisition been? Can you just talk to us about? I believe it's very small, but can you just tell us what is the thought process behind it, and are you looking for more such acquisitions?
Thanks for having me on your show. Yes, this is part of our initiative or effort to enter different verticals, and expand our presence in different verticals. So Naugati is in the oil and gas SaaS space. They provide solutions to oil and gas companies around kind of using video analytics and AI for congestion monitoring at stations, as well as compliance around safety and all of those things. This complements our solutions, which are horizontal in nature, around geospatial analytics, IoT, workforce automation, etc., as part of our digital transformation platform. So, with their specialized solutions for oil and gas, we can offer our more horizontal solutions to oil and gas companies and have a differentiated offering. Plus, they're also kind of enabling an interesting navigation experience where they're able to give to citizens information as to what are the wait times at different petrol pumps or CNG stations, and also what amenities and facilities are available there. So that will also enhance the Mappls app, which is the consumer-facing application of ours. So those were the reasons why we wanted to put a small amount of money in the company, so that we can extend our reach in the oil and gas sector, a very large sector from a technology consumption point of view.
Sure, Rohan, point taken. But talk to us about the overall business as well in terms of the new client additions, etc. Because one of the triggers that analysts are pegging their hope on is the fact that you're looking at multiple users of your particular app and your data. What kind of user interfaces are you working on? Has been the new client addition, etc.?
Yeah, that's actually been a great question. And that's been the interesting momentum that MapmyIndia as a company has, where there are infinite use cases across industry verticals for our products and solutions, especially in the maps and deep tech area that we play in. So, for example, a footwear company also started to go live with our solutions, where they're using us for their sales and distribution analytics. Where should they expand their outlets? Where should they expand their marketing activities using our location data and location analytics, MGIS platform as an example? On the other side, you have all the EV two-wheeler companies going live with MapmyIndia's solutions, so which is a testament to our end case offering, including now on the four-wheeler side as well. You had the recent MG launch of the updated Gloucester, which goes with our Discover app, in addition to our navigation solutions, which allows for more hyper-local search, discovery, and O2O, offline to online commerce. And finally, on the public sector side, also a lot of new kind of use cases. One is our drone solutions, drone-based survey of properties, which is enabling those property cards, Somitwa cards, to be given. That is something that is taking off. Or the public transport, state road transport corporations. One of them went live with our public transport tracking, as well as kind of helping citizens see where the bus is, how far it is from the bus stop, and which bus stop they have to take and reach to be able to go between two different cities. So as you see different use cases and clients in different sectors, whether it's retail or BFSI or two-wheeler or four-wheeler or public sector at the center or state level, that's the kind of good momentum that MapmyIndia has, which continues to kind of expand our scope.
Correct. So how are you looking for more tie-ups? How do you look at more businesses like the travel business or the delivery business? How are you looking at more such things, which gives you a assured growth and a assured business?
Yeah, this is a continuous activity in the company. More tie-ups, more different verticals that we are trying to reach out. Inorganic is one example. We talked about Naugati for the fuel or oil and gas sector, but also internationally. I can tell you some interesting things that we are doing. In fact, just a few days ago, we signed an MOU with a very large Korean conglomerate, to utilize our maps and technologies for the Korea market, our IoT devices and other solutions. So those types of tie-ups are also helping us expand internationally. As we've said, this is going to be a multi-year journey of growing our international market business. But those activities have started to take shape, and slowly the results of it will show in the time to come.
Before we let you go, quickly a word in terms of how the financials are looking like for the entire year. We have seen a growth trajectory of around 50% over the last few quarters. Do you think it's sustainable? Because Street is pegging a number of anywhere between 40 to 50% growth for yourself. And also, how's the margin picture looking like?
Yeah, I think the last announcement we did on the results showed a healthy growth in all metrics, be it revenue or profit margins, profitability, etc. The momentum continues to look strong. Of course, I can't give kind of specific guidance on numbers going ahead, but we stand with a very strong open order book, as you know, which was 699 crore at the end of beginning of this year. Revenue growth was also strong. It was 50% for Q1 FY23. Without giving a specific number, I can say that momentum is looking good, both on revenue as well as on kind of profitability and margins.
What about the international geographies? Because, of course, Google Maps is your big competitor when it comes to the international space as well. Do you have any plans to foray into that? How are you looking at the international geographies?
See, the thing about MapmyIndia is, or Mappls as our global platform is now called, global brand and platform Mappls, is that we have a very wide basket or portfolio of products which cover not just B2C, but B2B and B2B2C, meaning that there are enterprises in the private and public sector across industry verticals, or automotive and mobility and logistics companies, which can use our products and solutions, which are far more advanced than the consumer app or vanilla APIs that these international companies that you said offer. They are more complicated solutions which offer more enterprise value to customers, and that's what we are taking to market. And we are getting very, very good response, whether it's our logistics APIs, our IoT devices, our geospatial technology capabilities. And so, yes, we are very bullish that as we slowly explore the market, do it in an efficient way, we will find more and more customers in different verticals and segments internationally, rather than just having to head-on compete as a consumer app in a global setting.
Okay.
All right, got the point, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us.